What I do in my work, I put lots of positivity.
Everybody will come and chatter their dream. कि नहीं तुम नहीं कर सकते.
आपका जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होता है लोग उसको बहुत कोशिश करते हैं तोड़ दें, गिरा दें आप. Why do you want to be a makeup artist?
Right.
I don't think about other people what they're thinking about my looks. जब आपको अल्लाह मियां देना शुरू करता है, you know, so आप झुकना सीखें. लेकिन जब झुकोगे तो पत्थर भी पड़ते हैं. ख्वाब तो I mean very it's a very फिल्मी बात. ख्वाब देखेंगे तो पूरे होंगे ना. But I would say one thing: be consistent. Don't let anyone control you.
Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of Dara is here. Yes, not to forget, when Dara is here, Dara is obviously not in the studios, but Dara is outside the studios. And it's not only just Dara who is here, you also have Babar Zahir who is here. Babar, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. I am very impressed with the name. Dara is here. So two Daras are here.
Absolutely. Nani, good to have you. तो
Thank
बाबर
you.
बेसिकली हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव शो का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है शो का बेसिकली वो यही है पॉजिटिविटी.
Mm-hmm.
हमारी कोशिश होती है कि पीपल हु एक्चुअली एडेड पॉजिटिव वाइब्स टू द वर्ल्ड उनको बुलाएं, उनकी कहानियां सुने ताकि हमारी अपकमिंग जनरेशन में कुछ पॉजिटिविटी आ जाए. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन.
Yeah.
तो बाबर सबसे पहला सवाल ये है क्योंकि नेगेटिविटीज बहुत हो चुकी हैं.
Oh, dude,
You
too
know.
much, guys.
तो
Can you please
please.
make this world better for everyone?
एब्सोल्युटली नंबर वन. एनीवेज बाबर सबसे पहला सवाल होता है शो पे कि आखिर बाबर कौन है. दैट्स द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु इज बाबर ज़हीर?
Well, Babar is a human being. Well, you can see it, but for me, Babar is a very difficult person for myself, not for other people. What I do in my work, I put lots of positivity. When I come to the set, I always try to be happy. When I'm waking up in the morning, I say, okay, Babar, you have to be this today. If I'm working with a difficult person on a set, I'll be very, very comfortable.
Right.
Because I know I'm in a good place right now. And if somebody's not feeling well or if somebody's going through something, what I have to do, I have to make a space for that people to be more comfortable. So
Right.
he can open up with me, we can sit down, chat. So for me, Baba is a very comfortable person.
Right.
And I am very comfortable in my personal life.
Right.
And outside the camera also.
Absolutely. So, Babar, in terms of your journey, obviously you're a makeup artist.
Mhm.
You have come a long way. You know, a
Mashallah.
long way, alhamdulillah. Because of the
Mashallah.
fact मैं आप लोगों को याद कराऊं, बाबर को तो याद है, मुझे भी याद है. बाबर एक छोटा सा young lad था, याद है.
Oh my
So
He saw
we were-
me when I was a
हाँ.
baby.
तो हम लोगों ने शूट किया था परवाज़ जुनून.
Yeah.
यार वो भी क्या great times थे. And you know, बाबर के साथ, you know, in first interaction, that was back in the day.
Oh.
And Babar, time has actually flown. So Babar, you have come a long way, right? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह माशाल्लाह. तो तुम सिर्फ ये बताओ जो ऑडियंस है जिसमें आजकल की यंगर जनरेशन ऑब्वियसली होप ढूंढती है. मैं सिर्फ ये चाहता हूँ कि इफ यू कैन एक्चुअली ऐड होप टू देम, शायद तुम्हारे कुछ अल्फाज, बिकॉज इफ दे वांट टू परस्यू मेकअप, बट वो ना कुछ लोग ड्रीम्स शैटर करने के लिए सब होते हैं.
बहुत लोग हैं.
एवरीबॉडी विल कम एंड शैटर देयर ड्रीम. कि नहीं तुम नहीं कर सकते. तुम्हें भी शायद बचपन में कहा हो लोगों ने.
A lot of
मुझे तो
people
बहुत
said-
दफा कहा.
मुझे भी मतलब आपका जो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होता है लोग उसको बहुत कोशिश करते हैं तोड़ दें, गिरा दें आप.
राइट.
What you have to do, I believe in that thing, and I have literally I work really hard on this.
राइट.
When I was trying to be a makeup artist, a lot of my family members and cousins and friends were like, "Oh my God, why do you want to be a makeup artist?"
Right.
I said because I enjoy this work,
Right.
and I love doing makeup,
Right.
and it's an art.
Right.
So whoever out there who wants to be a makeup artist, I would suggest one thing: that please focus on yourself first.
Right.
Like first, you need to look presentable. Work on yourself, and then be a makeup artist. I know you all are amazing human being. I don't know about myself, but मैंने अपना कॉन्फिडेंस हमेशा इसलिए बेहतर और अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करता हूँ रोजाना की बुनियाद पे कि मैं जब सेट पे वॉक करके जाऊँ तो लोगों को पता हो यार बाबर आया है.
Right.
Because you know when I go on set, I bring positivity with me,
Right.
and I don't think about other people what they're thinking about my looks. कि मैं तो makeup artist हूँ ये वो. I just focus on my work. So I would suggest the newcomers, especially who wants to be makeup artist. The one thing that I have remember and I will never forget कि जब आपको अल्लाह मियां देना शुरू करता है, you know, so आप झुकना सीखें. मेरा ये मानना है. So when I was getting a lot of work, my mother told me one thing that Babar, if you want to be a bigger tree, just झुक के मिलो लोगों से. Be kinder to everyone. And लेकिन जब झुकोगे तो पत्थर भी पड़ते हैं. You know, like when you're going up in the air,
Right.
people will be like, oh, ये तो ऐसा है, ये तो वैसा है. But what you have to do, you have to, you know, like hold yourself back and be like, I can do this.
Right.
And work on yourself. Try to be a better person, and you'll be an amazing makeup artist like me. I'm not a
Inshallah.
makeup artist, like big makeup artist.
नहीं,
I'm
नहीं,
just saying.
But you know, even in terms of, मैं honestly viewers को बताना चाहूँगा, obviously they should know कि the way that I have seen you struggle, मैं सही बोलूँगा, इसने struggle बहुत किया, like
Alhamdulillah.
days and nights मैंने देखे हैं, इसने जान मारी.
I mean, we used to work for
Because
18 hours,
straight.
dude. Oh my
और
God.
18 hours के बाद भी अगर break मिलती 2 घंटे की नींद होती थी फिर दोबारा से. So I've
Set
seen
पे-
him work, I've seen you evolve.
माशाल्लाह.
जब तक आप लोगों की डेडिकेशन नहीं होगी, क्यों बाबर,
बिल्कुल.
उसके बगैर तो यू कांट रीच टू एनी, आप
Any
ये देखो,
certain
जादू
point
तो
of
नहीं हो
life.
सकता ना कि आप
Exactly.
जादू से सीख लें. तुम्हारी वाली बात बहुत दुरुस्त थी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द मेकअप थिंग दैट यू नो एनीबडी वांट्स टू. ड्रीम्स इंसान पूरे कर सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
ड्रीम करना इज नॉट बैड, अच्छी बात है जितने ख्वाब देख सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
ठीक है, ख्वाब.
और मुझे ये लगता है कि ख्वाब तो I mean, very, it's a very फिल्मी बात.
हाँ.
ख्वाब देखेंगे तो पूरे होंगे ना.
Absolutely.
I was a dreamer बचपन से.
जी.
I was like, मुझे तो ये बनना है यार, मुझे तो फिल्म में काम करना है, मुझे तो मेकअप करना है, मुझे ये करना है. तो like I was always dreaming about all these amazing stuff, and
Right.
my work takes me everywhere in the world, free
Right.
of cost, literally. Like
हाँ,
my-
हाँ.
whenever I'll travel, my production is paying everything for me. Why? Because I work really hard wherever I am right now.
Right.
And I would suggest, if you want to be like Dara, come on, you tell me something about yourself. How you become Dara?
यार ये
Well,
नहीं,
you
ये
all know, I'm
उल्टा
just
उल्टा
kidding.
करने लगे.
I'm just kidding.
तारा ऐसे ही है. तारा is like
But I love the name. It's so
struggling.
cool. Dara is here.
हाँ हाँ, नहीं यार बाबर. तो बाबर, मुझे in terms of makeup that you've learned, obviously थोड़ा सा audience को भी बताना चाहोगे जो सीखना चाहते हैं, ताकि वो शायद तुम्हारे नक्शो कदम पर चल के और डेडिकेटेडली चल सकें, कुछ
Oh.
कर सके जिंदगी में.
But I would say one thing: be consistent. Whatever you're doing in your life, चाहे वो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो, चाहे कैमरामैन की जॉब हो, चाहे एक आपने ठेला लगाया हो,
Right.
you have to be consistent. You have to think यार ये मेरा काम है, ये मेरी जॉब है,
Right.
ये इतने घंटे की जॉब है और इस जॉब पे मुझे अपना 100% देना है.
Right.
और जब आप अपना 100% देते हैं किसी भी जॉब को,
Hmm.
तो वो अल्लाह में आपको नवाजता है और अल्लाह आपको मदद करता है इस काम करने. मेरा ये बिलीव है.
और बाबर, तुम्हारा मेंटोर कौन है in terms of makeup? होते हैं ना?
Should I say this on camera?
Please,
Nobody. I'm sorry.
Seriously?
I mean, there's nobody. Like, I just follow myself. But yes, for references, I see a lot of makeup artists. Like in Pakistan, especially, we have a lot of brilliant makeup artists,
Right.
and they're all amazing. I'm not saying that they're not good. They're freaking amazing as well.
Right.
And abroad, there are many makeup artists like Patrick Star. All these guys, they're amazing. They're doing phenomenal job.
Right.
So I don't see anybody as my mentor.
Hmm.
I just see my mother as my mentor.
Awesome. नहीं, बहुत अच्छे बाबर. It was an absolute pleasure having and discussing your journey
Thank you
with
very
me
much.
on Dara is here. And I'm sure the audience would love to know more, and if they want to, they can. I'll surely आपका Instagram profile वगैरह tag
Yeah.
कर दूंगा in the video.
Thank you
people
very
can
much.
actually reach
Dara
out
is being kind to me, guys.
Dara has always been kind.
Of course.
But anyways, Babar, thank you once again for being a part of the show. Any quick word for the upcoming generation in effects that may solve a lot of things for them?
Just be yourself.
Be yourself.
Whatever you're doing, just be yourself. Don't let anyone control you or like hurt you in any way.
Yeah.
If you're gonna be yourself, you'll be amazing. Trust me.
Right. Well, Babar, thank you once again for being
Thank
a part
you
of the
for
show.
having me.
Pleasure.
It was lovely talking to you, Dara.
Same here.
Now I'm gonna call him Dara on set. I swear to God, because
Done,
like
dude.
I was like, what is his name? I've never heard this before. Dara is here.
Yes.
But thank you guys. Thank you for watching us.
Pleasure.
And thank you for having me.
Yes. Thank you guys for being a part of the show. And inshallah, we'll surely come up with more episodes. And thank you, Baba, once again. And please leave your comments behind and, we'll surely be in touch. Bye-bye.
Bye.